Hi all, Rufus Roughtcut back in the compact cave talking about my Ryobi corded EMS 254 Mitre saw. I'm going to show the extraction. It is appalling, factory fitted extraction on this. So I'm going to show you what it's like without the extraction, and then I'm going to go through a series of stages showing you how we can improve it. I'm going to throw a cardboard box just to collect it for now, because 3 cuts on this and my compact cave looks like it's had a sawdust snowstorm in it. Everything is covered. So let's show you what it looks like before we do anything, just with a factory fitted extraction, and then I'll go to throw a box behind it, see if we can collect it to start with, and then I'll do some workarounds and try and improve it as best I can, involving using the miters and the bevel angles. I'll show you. So I'm just going to do a couple of cuts. I better plug it in first, hadn't I? So I'm just going to do a couple of cuts on some 4x2, and I'll show you the dust cloud that we get from it. The shop extraction is on, so let's have a look. So that is 3 cuts. 3 cuts. You can still see the cloud in here. I'll show you. There's the dust. 3 cuts. Absolutely useless dust extraction. So we'll try and improve that. What I'm going to do, as I say, first I'm just going to throw a box behind it. I'll tidy up, throw a box behind it, feed the shop vac through the box and see what happens with that. Now this is crude, but this is just our starting point. I've got the shop vac just connected up here, this box behind to catch anything, but I think what's happening is it's bouncing all off here. But we're going to start it up and have a look, see what happens. As I say, it's our starting point. We'll take it from there. But one other thing I'm going to do is underneath this, I will be putting a 0 clearance plywood insert in here. But what we've got under this is we've got holes. So any wood that's created in here is fired down and through them holes. So I'm going to seal these holes up with some duct tape. The old good old duct tape. That's what I mean by the holes in the track. So I'll fill them in. Again, crude means, but if it does the job, we'll improve it and make it permanent. So we'll pop these back in. Covered the main holes up. Alright, let's fire it up. Tiny bit better. It's contained it within this area. But what I think is we need something to come up and over here. Bring that camera out a bit. It is a little bit better. It's contained it within the box. There's nothing either side of the box. Put it in FPV. It is on FPV. I'll show you. So there's nothing around the outside where there was before. Plenty inside the box. So it's not catching it and sucking it up, but it's containing it, which is 100% better than it was before. So as I say, I think I need to put something over here just to contain it all. And once I've got it actually contained in the one spot, I'll then work, and probably we need a funnel around this area, because it's coming up the saw and it's bouncing off here, bouncing off this, which is my actual bevel angle, and it fills that up, it compacts it in there. So I want to try and stop it getting in there, build a funnel to collect it all just around this area. So what I'm going to do is get some cardboard. I've actually got some poster board. I'm going to put a bit of poster board on this just to shroud it in a bit more, just to try and get a bit more extraction on it. We'll see what that does. Alright, let's just get it enclosed. Oh, look at that. Even there. Let's have a go. and a stick. Right, let's have a look, see if it's any better. Show you what we've got. Bit crude to say, it's only a prototype. If it works, we'll develop it a bit more. And we'll add some closer extraction in here, but let's just see what happens with this now. Let's turn the extraction on. Now that to me is keeping it contained enough for now. It's isolated to this area. Let's bring that out a bit. And I'll show you. It's a little bit of dust creeping forward, so maybe we could do with something coming across here a bit, but we definitely need more concentrated extraction around this area. It's bouncing off that to start with, so we need a funnel around this area without impeding. But this will do. I'm halfway through a project of building an Amazon drop box outside to drop the stop the delivery guy just leaving my parcels on the doorstep in the pouring rain, open to view of the general public as they're walking past. So yeah, I'll finish that project off, and then I'll put part 2 of this on, where I'm actually building the funnel around this inside bit, and then hopefully I could get rid of this. We'll see. Anyway, follow us along if you want, subscribe, and you'll get the videos as they're posted. See you in a bit.